Brand the pink gold peach fan here. I got a train coming. Sounds like a train. Alright. 3868, 3335. ES44-9W. Got out and trying to catch it. Pacific rain. Uh-oh. Oil. Uh-oh. Oil. 22-476. That's a brand new repainted 4-port tanker. 711-835, 712-20. Those are GBR Greenberg tankers. Wow. Scrap metal gondolas. Hey, look at that. Brand new boxcar. 86 footers. Illinois Central, brand truck, alright. 500-978, the 1005 class R.J. Corman scrap metal gondola. Grab Orchard flat cars. Just missed out on the train. Heavily tagged. It's illegal. Look at that. Private TILX 3-cylinder hoppers. Have a flat car, that one. Those flat cars, very dangerous, corrosive loads on board. That's a 2x1 Northbound Metafest on West Central and North Commercial Street. That is a 2x1. This was a 2x1 Northbound Metafest. The ES44AC and a rebuild, AC44C6M rebuild, ES44-9 leading on West Central and North Commercial Street.